What's up YouTube fam? Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna see something very interesting. We have seen this for a few days now. Artificial intelligence software that you can write almost everything and you can get some answers, get ideas. It's called ChatGPT, okay? This is an artificial intelligence program that you can write and the software will give you an answer. I have this article right here, 20 entertaining uses of ChatGPT you never knew. What is this software capable of? You can write everything you want. You can put to the chat to write a Twitter for you, okay? And it will give you ideas to use the tweets, okay? So let's go. Let's use the program. Okay, you go to this website, openai.blog ChatGPT. It's on beta. It's on beta version, so you can use it for free. Let's go try ChatGPT. I already have an account. You have to register. You have to register to this. Let's put right here in ChatGPT. Let's see. Are the best selling niches on Redbubble? Okay. Let's talk about print-on-demand. Look what it says. It's difficult to determine the best-selling niches of Redbubble. However, some popular niches on the platform may include designs, pop culture, social, and political issues. To see what the products are being sold, okay? It says that it can give you. It suggests that you have to make some research before selling, okay? So let's write about. Please generate 5 top trending quotes for Valentine's Day. Okay, we can use the quotes to make some designs, maybe text designs, and let's see what it says. Okay, here are five potential quotes that could be popular for Valentine's Day. Love is a journey, not a destination. You are the missing piece of my puzzle. I love you more than words can describe. You are my everything. You are my rock, my luck, my. Okay, these are quite top 5 potential quotes from Redbubble. You can look for these ones on trademark. I will make a video how to check for trademarks, because this is a tutorial video just for ChatGPT. Maybe please generate a Bitcoin tweet. Okay, let's see what it says. Here's a potential tweet about Bitcoin. Just focus on Bitcoin. I'm feeling bullish. Excited to see where the journey takes me. By itself just generates everything. Okay, it's important to know that the content of the tone will depend on the intended audience and purpose of this. You can write a novel, okay? This guy wrote a novel just with the ChatGPT questions and answers. It can generate a list of questions and answers. This guy says he created a game just with the algorithm of the chat, okay? Date. If you're looking a little flirtation to your message, dating, here are a few ideas. You just to conquer your future love. You can ask this artificial intelligence how to maybe date a girl, and you see it's inappropriate to ask how to date someone. If they are young, it's important to respect the boundaries, consents, and others. It gives you advices. This software gives you advices, bro. It's so scary, man. This software can take over the world if it wants to. Dealing with loneliness and anxiety. ChatGPT, I'm sorry you're feeling lonely and sad. This is the chat, okay? This is the chat. Someone asked about loneliness and the chat responded this, okay? Naming are the best tools to research on print on demand. There are a number of tools that can be helpful researching the print on demand options. Some potentials may include online marketplaces like Redbubble, Society6, Printful. Printful it's a partner to print stuff. This is not like a research tool. Okay, you can see here the chat is giving mostly advices, but it's not telling me which apps are good for this research. There are a lot of tools. Okay, there's Bubble Spider, uh, Bubble Tag Generator. There's a lot of tools for ChatGPT to research on Redbubble, but it's not a clear answer for this. Okay, let's asking another one. Let's see what things. Translations. Okay, you can ask for translations. You can ask for fitness. It can give you some advices to fitness. Okay, let's see. Let's ask, what is the best routine to do for chest at workout? Will give you, okay, it says bench press, the classic exercises. Okay, look, you can use this information to just to you can use this information to cross with your routines on your on at the gym, and maybe you can have some guidance on this. Okay, so coding and integrations, it can generate codes. Okay, lessons plans for teachers, set the lesson title, the history and impact of artificial intelligence. Okay, and look at all this, it just made it the algorithm, the AI. You can social media comments and reviews. Can help overall retail staff to respond to social media. She asked GPT, respond this restaurant review. Okay, okay, can create reviews. Okay, such as these ones. Crime fighting. Suspect clues by working with a team experience. This is the I researched some famous ensemble murders and did excellent laying out the crime. Okay, the software can make a layout of certain, let's say create a good review for a Redbubble shop. Let's see what it says. Here's an example of positive review for a Redbubble shop. You can use this text maybe to add to your copy, to your maybe some testimonials. You can use this to add it. It's endless. Possibilities are endless with this software. Furniture design. I use ChatGPT together with Midjourney to design a small unique table. After ChatGPT created idea, okay, it can give you ideas to create this kind of products. It says a serialized novel. Prep for an interview. Okay, you can ask for advice for an interview. You can maybe can give you a list of things to can give you a gift ideas. Okay, gift ideas. I suggest a gift under $200 from a woman who loves the Eagles. It's funny. Explaining complex concepts. Editing for AP style. Most blogs general AP styles guide. Okay, I asked ChatGPT edit the following using AP styles guideline. Mostly this is for copywriting and elaborating all this type of blog stuff. Okay. Even Elon Musk said ChatGPT is scary good. We are not far from dangerous, strong AI. Okay. So this is most the part for this video. I just wanted to introduce you the ChatGPT artificial intelligence. The interface for the chat. You just click here, write whatever you want here, and hit enter, and that's it. And that's it. You will have all your answers. Okay. So keep in touch for this software. Okay, thank you for being in this video. Hope you enjoy it. Be making more of these videos in the future, mostly for Redbubble. I can make a lot of videos for Redbubble. Just leave a comment in the chat if you're interested to know everything about Redbubble. Okay, so this will be the end of the video. I'll see you soon.